gave me life, and I can't explain just how much you mean to me now. You've saved me, Lord. I give all that I am to you. Every day I will be a light that shines your name. Be a light that shines your name. Every day, Lord, I'll learn to stand up on your word, and I pray that I might come to know you more, that you would guide me with every single step I take, and every day I will